Hi, this is Maria's Kitchen. I just want to let you know that this is a long overdue video. Finally, I'm getting started, and this I want to dedicate to my children and friends. They've been asking me and calling me and texting me and emailing me. They want me to cook and show them how to do cooking. So here we go. I am going to show you how to make arroz con leche. This is one of my personal favorite all-time treats from my grandma, and I am going to show you how to do it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to turn the fire on low, maybe medium high. I'm going to put 3 cups of water in here. I've already measured them. And then I am going to open 1 can of evaporated milk. I think it's a 12 ounce. And we're going to put the whole can in with the 3 cups of water. And then we are going to get 1 cinnamon stick, and we're going to put that in there. Just drop it in. And then we're going to get 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Go ahead and measure them out. 1, 2, doesn't matter if it's overheating because I love cinnamon and it's so good for you. And we're going to put a dash of salt. We do need a dash of salt, just a dash. I'm going to put it in my hand just in case it overgoes. So a dash of salt. We are going to get this to, we'll put it on medium high, and we are going to get it to a boil. Cover this, and I will be back in 23 minutes. And I will show you the rest of the things to do. And we're going to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to put 23 minutes, and I will see you back. And it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. This is how it's going to look. It's going to be like kind of dry, but this is what we're going to do. We are going to add the 4th cup of sugar and a 4th cup of brown sugar. And we're going to stir that in, and we're going to add a 1/2 cup of half and half. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're going to stir it all up, and it's going to be done and ready. So we're going to take this cinnamon stick out, and we're going to stir it up, all the sugars, all the milk, and everything. And okay, we're going to go ahead and serve it up, and you're going to want to go ahead and put it in a nice bowl, and then you are ready to try it out. It's going to be it's creamy, it's thick, it's full of cinnamon, and it's delicious. I am going to end the show with a scripture that I've already written out. Psalms 34:8. Taste and see the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. And thank you so much for watching my show, and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you again. Bye.